World Championship silver medalist Jamaican Ricketts was the only Jamaican winner, with compatriots putting in creditable performances as the Wonder Diamond League season got underway on Sunday in Gateshead. Karen Madden reports.
Battling miserable conditions in the Gateshead Stadium in the United Kingdom, several Jamaicans stepped up competition ahead of this summer's Olympic Games in Tokyo. One of two Jamaican women in the triple jump on Sunday, Jamaican Ricketts, who has a personal best of 14.93, made it through to the final round face-off where only the top three competitors advance. Ricketts cleared 14.40 meters on her third attempt to win, ahead of Patricia Mamona of Portugal, 14.37 meters. Commonwealth champion Kimberly Williams was just edged out of the final three and ended fourth with a leap of 14.15 meters. World champion TVJ Gale was relegated to third in the men's long jump after leading the competition heading into the final three face-off. Gale was the only competitor to reach the 8-meter mark after 5 attempts, but a 7.91 meter effort on his sixth jump saw him finish third, as Felipe Randoza of Italy produced 8.11 and Eusebio Caceres of Spain 8.04 to take the top two spots. Elsewhere on the field, Commonwealth Games champion Danielle Thomas Dodd was second in the women's shot put with a heave of 18.46 meters. The highly anticipated clash of world-class athletes in the women's 100 meters was doused by driving rain, with multiple Olympic and world champion Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce finishing fourth in 11.51 seconds, with fellow Jamaican Natasha Morrison seventh in 11.77. The much-touted American Sha'Carri Richardson was upstaged by Great Britain's Dina Asher-Smith, who took the event in 11.35, with Richardson second in 11.44 and Marie-Josée Talour of Côte d'Ivoire third in 11.48. Also on the track, Stephanie Ann McPherson was second in the women's 400 meters with a 51.96 clocking, with her MVP teammate Sharika Jackson finishing sixth in 53.40. The event was won by Kendall Ellis of the United States in 51.86. Over in the men's 200 meters, Julian Fort finished seventh in 21.47, behind the winner Kenneth Bednarek of the United States, who won in 20.33. Megan Tapper finished fifth in the women's sprint hurdles in 13.53. Commonwealth gold medalist Janeve Russell finished third in the women's 400-meter hurdles in 57.16. Karen Madden, TVJ Sport.